Military relocation video number 4. Moving your little ones and fur babies can be a stress-inducing endeavor. But never fear, Homes by Westy has you covered. Preparing for the trip is key. Snacks, drinks, food and water for your pets, all necessary essentials to have on hand. When driving, it's important not to forget the extra bathroom breaks, as children may need them more often than adults. It also helps to get out of the car, stretch the legs, let the kids run off some of that pent-up energy at the same time. To keep everyone occupied, take advantage of technology like preloaded movies or games onto phones and tablets. But don't forget about those old-fashioned toys. Keep them stored in easy reach rather than packed away in the moving truck, out of sight. While relocation will likely bring an array of feelings from exhaustion to elation, know that with these tips, we've got your back at Homes by Westy and Abbott Realty. Trust the experts when it comes time for relocation. Reach out today for more information about how our team of experts can help make selling or purchasing a home smoother than ever before. I'm Westy with Homes by Westy and Abbott Realty, helping people achieve their dreams of homeownership. Thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful, please share with friends and family. Click the subscribe button so you won't miss any future videos.